ChatGPT recently launched ChatGPT sites, and using ChatGPT sites, you can share a live website or lightweight app from Codex. And here is the demo. I created a website, and it's now hosted on Vercel. You can host it on Vercel, Netlify, GitHub pages, and you can see the demo websites. You can just share it with your friends on internet, and everyone can see these websites. And I made this entirely deployment entirely from creating this website to hosting it on Vercel directly from ChatGPT. Okay, how I did that. So let me open the ChatGPT desktop applications. This is the desktop applications, and here you can see I have two things. I have chat options and workspace. Okay, so at the beginning, what you will do, look, I will access it from the work. So this is the workspace where you can just automate your work from directly here. At the beginning, you need to choose a project, so I will click here, and now you can see I have few projects opened here. I can just create a new project. You can rename it something like this. As we're going to build a blog website, you can say blog website, and then create a new project. Okay, and let me add it on this here. So after, then what you will do here, you can say something like this: I wanna create a website, something like this, and prompt it. Okay, then you will land to this interface. Here you will have output section. Okay, this is the most important thing what you will have to do. Look, from this output here you will have a plus icon. You can choose create site, and then just prompt it. When you prompt this, so create a new sites with at the red sites, and it will ask you the website about the goal, the intent behavior, and other stuff. You will just paste your prompt. So I wanna build a responsive blog website, and this is the requirement what you will have to follow. And now if I just click here, it will just create my website. You can see I am building as a editorial style responsive blog website, and it will take few seconds to complete the web project building. So look, it's actually created a website, and right now you can open it on Google Chrome, or even you can open it on ChatGPT. If you click here, it will open on local space, and this is your website. Okay, this is much better website is created. And how you will actually deploy this? Okay, to deploy it, at first you need to choose a platform. Okay, so if you ask how to deploy it or where to deploy it, it will give you the several options. So for example, at first what you will do, so if you want to host it on Vercel, you need to just log into your Vercel account, Vercel.com. Go to vercel.com and just create an account and log into your accounts. This is my accounts I have created on Vercel, and you can see all of these stuff. So when you have to logged into your Vercel account, you back to the ChatGPT and say, so Vercel, I will say something like this: I wanna deploy this website on Vercel. Okay, so I have already connected Vercel, and you just deploy it to Vercel. Okay, I just say something like this, and if I prompt, then if you are just trying it for the first time, it will just command you something, and then it will direct to the Vercel website to configure it. Okay, I have already done that. You can see, so it says install Vercel. I will just click OK, and it will redirect to authorization. And look here, it will just ask you for authorization, and I will just add it and then allow it. Okay, so look, I just give the permission, and now if I back here you can see deploying to Vercel. So when it's done, you will see a live URL. If you just click here, you can see your live URL. If I copy it and now back to a browser and open it here, you can see your website is live here. Okay, so this is much better website. The UI is much better. Okay, so now if you back here, you can see your website also available on Vercel. So this is the automation way how you can just connect your ChatGPT to deploy your ChatGPT sites to Vercel. You can also work with Netlify or other stuff. So it's actually very easy and convenient way to do that. And let me comment how this website is, the ChatGPT is creating for me. Okay.